Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm Kush, you're watching Drift Up. So today I'm here at the Nexa One showroom, Ring Road number 1, Raipur, and these are the cars you can come and test ride right now. This is really very nice showroom. I will show you the interior also. So let's start the video. So here is the new Baleno Facelift which I'm going to review today. As you can see, there are little bit cosmetic changes in the facelift model, and this car is filled with tons of accessories which I will show you in a bit. And here's the projector headlamp with a LED DRL, the new grill of the car. As you can see, this is not the top variant, so you will not get the fog lamps in this variant. So this is an optional accessory for the car, which is very nice alloy wheel. And at the front you get MacPherson struck rear suspension. At the rear you get a torsion beam suspension. There are no dimensional changes in the car, looks similar with the side. So here is the rear view mirror with the turn indicator, the antenna. As you can see, there are no cosmetic changes at the rear and no dimensional changes also. So you get this optional accessories for the chrome plate over the boot. You get 4 sensors at the rear. This is the rear passenger side door. As you can see, there's a blue treatment of a cloth. You get a 1 liter bottle space. And this is the rear seat with an optional seat cover accessory. There is only 2 headrest, adjustable headrest. The magazine holder, get space and 12-volt charging socket. So as you can see, there's a little bit bump over here, and the driver side is also the same, but you get most storage space. There's a dead pedal also placed at the corner, so there's a space to keep stuff and control the lighting of the car. Here's the front seat. Manually adjustable seats are present there. So these are the normal key of the car. The handlebar with the radio controls and the Bluetooth controls. As you can see, this is an instrumental cluster which will tell you the speed, revolution, temperature and the fuel. With the MID will show you the distance traveled and trip. Here's the place to keep stuff and a USB aux port and 12-volt charging socket. This is a manual transmission, 5-speed manual transmission. You also get an option for the automatic transmission. As you can see, there's a space over here. The length is around 3995 mm, width is around 1745 mm, and the height is around 1510 mm. Ground clearance will be around 170 mm. This is the radio, which is not that informative because this is not the top variant. Baleno badging over there. Let's open the boot. So this is an optional accessory mat for the boot. The boot has a space of around 339 liters, the spare wheel. There's a one-touch boot opener. This is the engine, which is of 1.2 liter engine, which produces 83 bhp of power and 115 newton meters of torque. So here's the showroom interior, which has some more accessories option. As you can see, you can also customize your car over here with new music system, and the exterior looks. The top speed of the car is around 180 km per hour. 0 to 100 goes till 12.36 seconds, and the aerial mileage is around 21.4 kilometers per liter. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest updates. Till then, stay tuned and thanks for watching.